Why, hello everyone, this is Uncle James here with another great video. Now in this video, this is one of the tools that I am using with my online marketing. I have several websites and I am in need of hosting. So I used hosting before from different companies, and I have some personal friends that offer hosting, but I decided to give HostGator a try. So I'm going to show you some of the features that it offers, and then I will be making bit more videos after this to give a complete review of this company and what it offers. Now, remember, success leaves clues. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, here's some things that they with hosting. Of course, they do web hosting, web press hosting, e-commerce. They have a dedicated hosting. And one thing I like about this is it does offer cPanel hosting. Okay, here's some of the tools that it has to offer. Now this certificate, this is very important. The SSL certificate. This makes your site secure and your information is encrypted. Okay, this is very important. And then you can purchase domains. You can register domains with them. They have some great resources, knowledge base, and then of course blogs. So this is just a quick overview of HostGator. Very basic. Like I said, I have upgraded with HostGator. And so this is still new to me, but I will be making more videos. Alright, so let me speak this blessing over you. Until we meet again, may the Lord continue to bless you and keep you. May He smile upon you, may He be gracious and kind to you. May He continue to open those closed doors before you. We think that we have a long, good life, eyesight not abated, climbing up a new mountain, not sliding down an old one. This has been Uncle James. Have a great day. Y'all take care.